How to open BMO bank account online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can open up your Bank of Montreal account online. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to create the Bank of Montreal account, which is a bank account online without having to go to the bank, it is very simple to do so. Now remember that I'm talking about bank account, not online banking, but a normal banking account, how you can apply for it online. For this, first of all, come to bmo.com and of course just select a country and language, whether you want Canadian or whether you want English. Depending upon which language you like, you can just go ahead and then select that option here, and once you go ahead and select those options, you'll be able to log in to those websites respectively. Once you're here on the website, right at the top you can see checkings account, savings account, and so on. So what kind of account you want to create? Let's say you want to create a checking account, you can select checkings account, and over here you'll be able to see all of this checking advertising and so on. Or here you can see open an account, apply online, right? So just click on the apply online option over here. Remember that you can do this process by going to the branch, but you can also open your account online. Once you select a checking account, so you can see different types of accounts that are currently available. Just click the open now option next to an account that you would like to create. If you would like to add a savings builder account to this, you can add it and then click the continue option over here. Then once you've done that, what you basically want to do is on the next specific page, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface, right? Where what you need to do is fill in all of your legal details, such as whether you're already a customer. Of course we aren't. So what we want to do is simply enter our first name, our last name, our email address, our phone number, our residential address, city, state, and everything else. Once you went ahead and entered all the details of ours, what we want to do is you also have to make sure to enter your date of birth as well as a social security number and your citizenship status and your employment status, your free card design, whether which kind of card that design that you would like to get it over here. Once you select a card design here, you don't want a debit card, of course you can just check that as well. Or if you like 5 complimentary checks, you can go ahead and select that, and you can select individual or joint account as well. Then agree to the terms and conditions, click the continue option that you can find here. Once you click on the continue option, you'll be successfully be able to apply for a bank account. Next step will ask you to verify your details, and the next step will also ask you to set up all those login details. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.